This is the lower cervical retraction exercise. So setup is like this. Feet shoulder width apart and flat and facing forward. Nice long spine, and you want to be seated on your sit bones, on these bony parts here. Think that a string is pulling you from the ceiling, okay? If you tend to lean back, then just lean, not forward, but just go a tiny bit forward with your body weight to relieve a little bit of that tension. If you slouch up top and poke your head forward, just go a little bit more upright. Nothing crazy, but just a little bit more than is like normal or the most common position for you. What we're going to do is we're going to look to get, we have two things. One we don't want to do and one we do want to do or more of. So we can look at getting just the head to push back into the neck, which would be this. So you can see the movement comes from this upper part as the skull attaches onto the upper neck. Or we can look at getting the movement a little bit more from the lower neck, the lower cervical region, which would look like this. So it's just a slightly bigger pull. The first one's more isolated, and the second one's a bit more further. And you want to think that your whole neck is actually going back in space. You can think that the base of your neck, this bony pointy bit, is actually going back into your rib cage or into your upper back, okay? It's a fine movement, but it's really important. So from here, hold. You feel a little bit of tension through these front neck muscles as they will be shortened and contracted to create the movement. Relax, back to neutral. Don't go too far forward, just to neutral, and then back again. And then relax. So we don't want it to just be the head. It's rather coming from the base of the neck more. Hold, and then relax. And that's all it is.